Hi girls, this is Megha from PerkyMake.com and welcome to my channel. So today we are here for the July shopping haul. So in the month of July, I really try to restrict myself from shopping because I shop a lot of items in the last 3-4 months and which is really lowering my bank balance. So I shopped very less cosmetics in the month of July and some other hair and nail care items. So here we start our July shopping haul. First of all, I bought this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art which I found really interesting. It has two parts. One is this base part and next is their glitter part. I really like liners which has glitter because it's really good for glitter eye makeup. You don't require any glue and I find it really interesting, and this combination is really great, and it had like 4 or 5 combinations. Some were like black and silver glitter. This is bronze and bronze combination. Then there were like a really beautiful green with some shimmer option, and there were beautiful 4-5 options, and I bought this one, and I'm going to shortly do a tutorial on this with beautiful bronze eye glitter makeup. So stay tuned for the next video. And this was for around 700 rupees. And the shade name of this is Burnished Bling. Whatever products I'm showing you, I'll list all the products in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So our next item is another Huda Beauty lashes. You know I'm obsessed with Huda Beauty lashes. They are so beautiful. They completely transform your look and I am just in love with those. So I showed you in my last shopping haul the Scarlet lashes from Huda Beauty, and in this month I bought these Huda Beauty lashes Farah, which is a tone down from them. Scarlet were really dramatic and these are more like long lashes but less dense. So these are like this. I bought these from an Insta store which I will leave in the description box so you can check it out, and these are so beautiful. I already used them in my Deepika Padukone IFA 2014 inspired makeup look, and these are just perfect. I really liked it. Next, you know I'm a Makeup Geek eyeshadow fan since I've been using them, and they are so pigmented and so smooth on the eyelids. I am just loving these. So I got this another Makeup Geek eyeshadow in Corrupt, which is this black eyeshadow, and this is so pigmented. I just love it, and I'm soon going to do a smoky eye look for all of you, showing how pigmented and beautiful this is. So the shade name is Corrupt from Makeup Geek eyeshadow palette. Then I bought some nail polishes for me, and I wanted to try the Nykaa nail paints. Everyone was raving about them, so I thought let's try them, and I bought the beautiful Pastels Rain, which I'm just loving. There are so many beautiful unique pastel shades, and I'll show you whatever I bought. So the first shade is this, which is called Lilac Cupcake, and I am just obsessed with this shade. This looks really beautiful, and I'll soon show you the swatches on my blog and Instagram, so don't forget to check it out. Next shade is this beautiful mint shade. I just love mint color. I can wear it day, night, in all seasons. I just love them. So this is a beautiful mint shade called Mint Meringue, and this is so beautiful. Next, I got this grey shade, which is another beautiful one. I have already used the mint one and the lilac one. This one is still I have to use, but this looks so beautiful, and the shade name is Sesame Sundae. The next I got is the white nail paint. I really like white nail paints, and this is something of an off-white color which I really like, and the shade name is Baked Cheesecake. So this is another beautiful shade. Then I got from Nykaa this teasing comb from Roots. So this really looked interesting to me, so I bought it, and I will use it wherever I need some puff in my hairstyles. I will use this. Then I got some BBlunt items. The first one is this BBlunt Full On Volume Shampoo for fine hair, and I really like this shampoo. I've been using this from the last 7-8 months, and this is my second bottle. I ordered it from Nykaa, and this is like this really works for me. It instantly gives me not a very crazy volume, but of course I get some volume through this, which I really like. Then I wanted to try this BBlunt Spotlight hair polish. I have used this and I'm not sure about the effect. I use it for, after styling my hair to fix it, or just as a fixing spray. and I'm not sure it's showing much effects on me, but I will review it soon after using it a lot of times. Then I got this BBlunt High Definition Curl Defining Leave-In Cream. So I spotted it, so I thought let's try it for whenever I try to do the curls. So I haven't used it yet, but I will soon let you know how I like this. So stay tuned for the review on these BBlunt items. Then I got this beautiful red lipstick, which is from Diana of London 2000 Kisses Wonderful Lipstick. This is in the shade 06 called Red Nature. I'm just loving Diana of London lipsticks. I showed you in my Carole Bagh Impressions haul the shade which I got, the Oxblood shade, which I also used in my Deepika Padukone inspired IFA makeup, and I'm just loving that shade. And this is another beautiful stunning red shade, and it is a close dupe of MAC Ruby Woo, which is my all-time favorite. And these liquid lipsticks are really smooth to apply, and these are really comfortable for my dry tablet. And these are the liquid lipstick which are really affordable. This is for 600 rupees. Got it from habana.com online. Girls, take my word for it, these lipsticks are really amazing. The formula is amazing, the texture is amazing, and the color is just beautiful. So the next item I got are these sectioning clips, which are really helpful when you try to do some hairstyles you have to do in sections, and you really need some type of sectioning clip. So I got these from eBay. This is for 240 rupees. Next, I really like voluminous curls. I am a big fan of, you know, the curl which Karina usually does, but I was really in search of a good conical shape curler which is really apt for my fine medium length hair. So finally I got this Roots Professional Curl Pro curling wand, which is conical in shape, and this is like really perfect for my medium length hair. It curls the hair perfectly, whether you want to do tight curls or some sort of loose curls. And I will do a separate video on the review and demo of this to let you know. Next item I got for the clothing is this kurta from Stan Max. There was a sale going on everywhere, and I usually don't get really good items on sale, but this time I got this kurta on sale which I really like. So it is like this. It is a beautiful like bandage type kurta, and this combination of mustard and black I really like. So I'll try to show you how I style this. So just follow me on Instagram for quick updates of all these products and quick reviews, quick pics, because that is the first one where I post all my pictures, and then it comes on YouTube and the blog. So girls, this was all about my July shopping haul. I hope you liked this video. Meet you next on another interesting topic, and let me know if you want to see some special makeup tutorial video on some celeb inspired or some TV actor inspired makeup, or any makeup you want to see. Just let me know so that I note it down and I do it for all of you, because I love all of you girls. So girls, keep watching PerkyMix.com. Give a thumbs up to this video if you like, and do subscribe